Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 25th of January 2021 to 31st of January 2021. You know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow your ascendant sign and watch my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendant sign that will make your life easy and better. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, this whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, your ascendant's Lord transit in your first house. Jupiter Saturn combust in 10th house. Sun is also transit in your 10th house, and Venus is enter in your 10th house from 28th of Jan 2021. You need to be careful while signing any documents. You need to be careful while signing any new deal. This is not right time to investing your money in anywhere. There is no doubt Ascendant's Lord is in very strong position in your first house, but I would suggest you don't invest your money because your 9th house Lord Jupiter combusts. Your 10th and 11th house Lord Saturn combust. So this is not a right time in the terms of profession. You need to be careful while talking with your seniors at your workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your business partners because you will be a part of any problem. This whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, you are not feeling comfortable, you are not feeling happy, you are feeling very down and very upset because your work is not, you are not performing your best as per your plan because major planet of dynamics like Jupiter, Saturn, they are combust in your Karam Bhav, in your 10th house. 10th house is a house of your business, profession, job, father, karma, fame, name, prosperity. And 11th house is a house of your good gains. 11th house is a house of fruit from your which you get from your hard work. 11th house is a house of earning which you get from your workplace. So 10th Lord and 11th Lord being a Saturn combust in your 10th house. 9th Lord and 12th Lord Jupiter combust in your 10th house. So Venus is also transit in your 10th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your seniors at workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be matter of concern. Wednesday and Thursday, you are feeling bit better and relaxed. Some monetary transactions will make you happy, which is connected with foreign land. Some foreign small orders will make you happy. But this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very upset and disturbed. Mars is in first house. This is one of the ultimate position of the Mars. But you are in aggression. You are in tension without any reason. Because Mars is a planet of energy, and when Mars transit an Aries sign or Scorpio sign in transit, it will always extend your energy. You need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your ego or attitude. Try to be humble and polite in front of everyone. Aries, this whole week from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021. You need to focus on your things, try to perform your best at your workplace and give your respect to your elders at your home. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or litigation. Things is not working as per your expectation. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. This is not a right time, Aries. This whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Weekend will be ultimate, but you are feeling disturbed and upset because your seniors are demanding more efforts from your side at workplace, and you are trying to deliver your best, and after that you are not achieve your goals because Jupiter Saturn is combust. Major planet of the solar system is combust in your 10th house. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021. One of the biggest change, your ascendant's Lord transit in your 9th house from 28th of January 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. You will enter in a very eventful period of your life. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some foreign journeys or foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. From 25th of Jan to 27th of Jan 2021, you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low and down. But after 27th of Jan, like when you enter in 28th of January 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Some unexpected monetary gains will knock you. You will enjoy all around success. Some new business partner will enter in your life, or you may invest your money in stock market or real estate. But you need to be careful because Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 9th house. 9th house is a house in Kal Purush Kundli, is a Jupiter house. So Jupiter transit in your 9th house will give you a lot of fruitful opportunities. And your ascendant Lord transit in 9th house with Jupiter, Saturn and Sun. This is the ultimate week for you. Taurus, you will be sky high, you will be rock. You will enjoy all around success. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you try to put your 100% efforts. Taurus, you just need to perform your best at your workplace. You will be another height of success. From 28th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors will support you. They will appreciate your efforts at your workplace. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. This is the time when your good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of success. If you feel some little bit slow down in January, or if you feel some work pressure in January, after 28th of Jan, you will be on another height of success. You will feel much relaxed, comfort, better, and enjoy with your family and friend, and you will earn a lot of money. Good fortune is in your favor. You must go for some charity after 28th of January 2021 because four major planet transit in your Navam Bhav, in your 9th house, which is a house of your religion, a house of your long distance journeys. Taurus, you need to perform your best. You will be another height of success. You will achieve lot of milestone. This whole year 2021 will be ultimate for you. And I'm talking about weekend prediction from 25th of Jan to 31st of January 2021. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. If you are interested to invest your money, this is the right time. You will get very good opportunities to investing your money. Taurus, you just need to perform your best at your workplace. Stay positive, stay happy. You will be rock because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, your ascendant Lord, transit in your 9th house, in your Bhagya ke house, yani Bhagya ke ghar mein. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, you need to be careful. This is not very productive week for you. There is no doubt Mars is transit in your 11th house. You will feel little bit better in the terms of monetary. Some unexpected money will knock you. There is no doubt, but that is not as per your expectation. Jupiter, Saturn is combust in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while talking with your elders. Try to give respect to your parents. Don't show your ego and attitude in front of your family and friends or your elders. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer for you, Gemini. If you take blessings from your father's side, you will shine like a sun. And if you be a part of any arguments with your family, with your father or with your mother, you will definitely involve in any type of mental stress or any type of financial crisis. Gemini, this whole year is not very productive for you because the major planet is in your 8th house. All major energies of the good planet is in your Ashtam Bhav. You need to be careful about your health. Your secret part of your body will be affected. Stomach related trouble is there. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very less energy. You are feeling very less energy. You are not in a comfort zone because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun transit in your Ashtam Bhav, 8th house. Must go for some medical charity. Must visit cremation ground and donate some money as a charity at cremation ground on Wednesday and Saturday. Must perform this remedy. Don't try to avoid this remedy. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you're finding a job, this is not a right time. If you are investing your money somewhere, don't invest your money anywhere because this is not a right time. You need to put your efforts, do hard work, and keep faith on yourself and God. You will definitely on the right track, but you need to perform your best. Cancer ascendants from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of Jan 2021. Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun transit in your 7th house. Venus enter in your 7th house. Venus enter in your 7th house will give you new proposals related to your marriage life. If you are unmarried, you may get good companion. If you are unmarried, you may be enter in a new relationship. And if you are already in a relationship, in love relationship or living relationship, your relationship will definitely turn in a long-lasting relationship like marriage. Cancer, this is a very wonderful and rewarding week for you related to your personal life. If you are already married, your spouse will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Your source of earning will develop. Some good gains will make you happy. Unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Cancer, you just need to perform your best. Try to take some blessings from your mother's side. Show your affection and love to your mother. Try to give some gift as a token of love to your mother. Blessings of your mother will be a biggest game changer for you for this week. Monday and Tuesday, you will be much better and relaxed. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. If you are a businessman, your source of earning will be ultimate. You will enjoy very good gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will enjoy all around success. Monday and Tuesday, you will enjoy unexpected monetary gain, as well as your professional life will be rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, a lot of success at your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Wednesday and Thursday will be a game changer days for you. Cancer, you just need to perform your best. The more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun transit in your 7th house. From 28th of Jan 2021, Venus enter in your 7th house. Your daily income will rise. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy all around success. There is a strong chances you may involve in new business partner, or someone may new enter in your life as a your business partner, as a your loved one. And this is a very fruitful week for you, Cancer. You just need to perform your best. On the weekend, Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy a quality time with your friends. Your siblings will support you in this week, or you may support to your siblings. There is some good occasion or good ceremony happen at your home or at your workplace. You will enjoy very good time. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Cancer, if you have a good Mahadasha in your birth chart, or if you have a good placement of Jupiter Saturn in your birth chart, you will surely steal the show. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, passions, relationship will be ultimate with your siblings. You will enjoy all around success. You just need to perform your best. Put your 100% effort at your workplace. You will definitely shine like a sun. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascenders. Leo Ascenders from 25th of Jan 2021 to 31st of January 2021. This whole week, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun. Venus enter in Capricorn in your 6th house. Sun is already transit in your 6th house. Venus enter on 28th of Jan. You need to be careful while spending your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable because your savings and your expenditures unbalancing situation you will face in this week. Especially Monday and Tuesday, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable and relaxed. If you are trying to invest your money, then you have to wait. This is not a right time. But if you are unemployed, you will definitely get a job after your hard work or your efforts. If you try to find your job, you will definitely get job. Unemployed people, they will definitely get job if they are trying to finding a job on this week. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding for your professional life. You may sign some new deal, but don't try to invest your money anywhere. Don't try to show your trust on strangers. Someone may cheat you. Some unexpected money losses are seen as per dynamics. Try to keep your savings in your account. You must, touch feet of your father every day morning before start your day. Blessings of your father or grandfather will be a biggest medicine, biggest remedy for you in this week. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be a part of any legal problem. You will be a part of any problem. Your health will be a matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your parents will be under shadow. You are not feeling comfortable. Leo, you just need to perform your best. Keep patience. This is not a right time because Jupiter, Saturn is combust in your 6th house. Placement of the planets are very good, but Jupiter, Saturn is combust. This is not very fruitful for you. And your Ascendant Lord also transit in your 6th house. You definitely involve in any type of legal problem. Try to pay your taxes on time. Try to pay your installments on time. Don't take any risk related to government. Don't try to be a part of any arguments or any litigation at your workplace. Weekend will be good, but this whole week brings a lot of up and downs for you. Friday and Saturday, you are not feeling comfortable. Some argument with your spouse or your father or maybe with your grandfather will create some panic situation at your home. Your homely atmosphere will be affected on the weekend. You are trying to perform your best to balance the situation at your home, but you are failed because planetary movements is not in very promising. You just need to perform your best, keep faith on God, and must read this mantra Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama, Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama, and must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning before start your day, and try to touch feet of your father and grandfather. Show your love and affection to your father and grandfather. Leo, more you give respect to your father, more you get fruitful results from your workplace. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, this whole week, some unexpected monetary gains are seen. From 25th of Jan to 31st of Jan 2021, you will be sky high and rock. You will enjoy a lot of unexpected gains. If you are a businessman, you may sign a new order from foreign land. If you are finding a new job, this is the ultimate week for you. You will get very good results from your workplace. You have an ability to find a very good job because good fortune is in your favor. Jupiter, Saturn, Venus enter in your 5th house on 28th of Jan. Your whole game will be changed. You will enjoy a lot of success, a lot of peace of mind. Some unexpected money will knock you. If you're already investing your money in stock market, you will blessed with a lot of success. This is the right time. If you're trying to put your money somewhere, must invest your money in stock market because Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun transit in your 5th house in Pancham Bhav. This is a house of your stocks. This is a house of your unexpected gains. A relationship with your parents will be ultimate. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. Virgo, you just need to perform your best because this whole week you will enjoy a lot of success. Your savings will rise, your source of earning will develop, some new friends will enter in your life. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. You will enjoy very good mental peace. You will enjoy all around success. Wednesday and Thursday, you must try to invest your money in stock market because Wednesday and Thursday, moon shower their blessings on you. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of good gains from stock market. If you are in intraday, your daily source of earning will rise. Weekend will be ultimate. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. Your seniors will satisfy from your performance. Your workplace will be ultimate. You will shine like a sun. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, success, lot of new achievements. You may start some new business with someone because all dynamics is in your favor. If you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Let's talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, this whole week, you will get a mixed results. Some unexpected good news will make you happy related to your personal life. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy very good comforts. But professional life, you are not feeling comfortable. This whole week brings a lot of up and down in the terms of your profession. If you are jobless, if you have tried to finding a good job, then this is not a right time. Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Venus transit in your 4th house, and Jupiter and Saturn is combust. Venus is very good position. Your ascendant Lord is in 4th house. You will definitely get a lot of blessings from your mother's side. You will get a lot of mental peace. There is no doubt. But major planet of your horoscope, like Saturn is the major ruling planet of your horoscope, is combust. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. Try to use good words in front of your seniors, in front of your elders at home. You must take blessings from your elder. If you are in job, you need to perform your best. You need to put your 1000% effort at your workplace to satisfy your seniors. But you will get fantastic results after your hard work. Your hard work will convert in sweet success. You just need to perform your best, Libra. Monday and Tuesday will be struggling days for you, but you will get very good news in the terms of your personal life. Unmarried guys, they may meet someone or their relationship may turn in marriage life. And if you are trying for baby planning, you may get very positive results. Monday and Tuesday, very good time in the terms of your family life and in the terms of your personal life. Wednesday and Thursday, you will face a lot of criticism and struggle at your workplace. You are not feeling comfortable. You will be a part of any problem. You are trying to perform your best, but your hard work is not going to give you returns as per your expectations. But you keep trying, because Libra, this whole year 2021, your workplace needs some extra time and extra hard work from your side. So this whole week from 25th of Jan to 31st of Jan 2021, if you want to grow, then you put your 100% effort at your workplace. Be humble, be polite, try to use respectful words in front of your elders and your seniors at your workplace. Some foreign journeys are seen as per your transit related to your professional life, and that will give you very fantastic results. Monetary gains are there, but after your hard work, you will achieve good goals. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy quality time with your spouse and your family, with your near and dear. You will enjoy very good movement with your family and friends. You will spend very positive period, because this whole week brings a lot of positivity after your hard work. If you are hard worker, if you are passionate about your work, you will definitely achieve good goals and you will definitely achieve a lot of targets, Libra. Just try to perform your 100% best at your workplace. This is your prayer. Don't fold hand in front of God. You just need to do your best at your workplace. God will automatically happy from your side if you try to put your efforts at your workplace. I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. This is very interesting ascendants, because this is my ascendants. So Scorpio ascendants, this whole week, Jupiter, Saturn, and 28th of Jan, Venus enter in 3rd house. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your friends will support you. You will get good gains from stock market. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will be developed, and you will enter in a new business horizon. Your advice or your friend advice will biggest game changer for you in this week. You will get very good promotion at your workplace, because your 4 major planets of your birth chart transit in your 3rd house, which is a house of your confidence, willpower, strong willpower, courage, braveness. Due to your hard work, due to your confidence, due to your courage, you will create a history. But you just need to try, you just try to put your 100% effort. You are winner, you are winner, you are winner after your hard work. Scorpio, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If you are in business, if you are a businessman, if you are importer, exporter, if you have any connection with foreign land, some foreign transactions will make you happy. Scorpio, this is a time when your good fortune is in your favor. You just need to perform your best. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, then this week, even this year, will be very helpful for you, because Jupiter, Saturn is in your 3rd house and aspecting is in your 9th house. Good fortune is in your favor. You must take blessings of your father. You give respect to your father, because your father is a key of success. If you follow your father guidelines, you will definitely rock. Scorpio, this whole week brings a lot of happiness, a lot of magic at your workplace. Your all pending work will click. Monday, Tuesday will be ultimate days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected money will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. If you are already investing your money in intraday or in as a delivery, you will get good news. As a monetary terms, this whole week brings unexpected gains for you. You just need to perform your best. Try to donate yellow dal at temple or Gurdwara Sahib, 800 gram on Thursday. Because Jupiter is combust. Your 2nd lord and 5th lord is combust. Your 3rd lord and 4th lord, Saturn, is combust. So try to distribute food in needy people or poor people on Saturday. Scorpio, if you perform these 2 small remedies, you will definitely shine like a sun. You just need to perform your best and try to trust on others. You will get fantastic results. The more you think good about others, the more you get positive results from universe. Because Dharma Karma Adhapati Yoga is in your 3rd house. Because Kal Purush Kundali, Jupiter, Saturn, They are connected with 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th house, and they are in conjunction in your birth chart in 3rd house. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Scorpio. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant, you will be blessed with unexpected gains. First of all, must wear yellow sapphire, right hand index finger. Must take blessings from your father's side. Give respect and honor to your father. Try to give some gift to your father on Thursday. Sagittarius, if you want to grow, try to put your efforts, because this whole week brings a lot of good opportunities. You will be sky high and top. Your all desires will be fulfilled. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health. Try to avoid eating non-veg. Read this mantra, Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruvaya Nama. Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruvaya Nama. Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruvaya Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel magic in your life. Give respect to your spouse. 4 major planet transit in your 2nd house. Dhan Bhav, your savings will rise. Your source of earning will develop. A new business partnership will knock you. You will enjoy very good success. Sagittarius, just try to take good care of your parents. Health of your father is a matter of concern for you. Focus on your father. Focus on your grandfather. Focus on any elder, male gender at your home. And must take blessings from your father and grandfather side. You will definitely sky high and rock, Sagittarius. Unemployed people may get job. Monday, Tuesday will be ultimate days for you. You will get unexpected money. If you are unemployed and you are finding a job, you may get new job offer. Wednesday and Thursday, biggest game changer days for you. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will be sky high. Weekend, you will enjoy very good time with the spouse. Your spouse will support you. Your kids will support you. You will definitely get some inheritance from your father's side, or you will get some gift from your father's side, which will be a biggest game changer for you. Keep your gift in your Almira. Don't use that gift, because that is a blessing of your father's side. 21. Capricorn, Jupiter, Saturn is combust in your 1st house. Sun is also transit in your 1st house. Mercury enter in your 2nd house. And Venus enter in your 1st house from 28th of Jan. And 4 planet aspecting is on your 7th house. First of all, you need to be patient in your personal life. Try to show your respect to your husband or wife. This relationship is very precious on this earth. If you try to maintain a good balance between you and your spouse, you will definitely cross this struggling days, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down in your mind. Mentally, you are not happy from your spouse. Mentally, you are not happy if you are in a love relationship, living relationship, or if you are married person. So, because Jupiter Saturn is combust, your ascendant's lord is powerless. Your ascendant's lord Saturn is combust, and Venus is also entering your 1st house. It will give you little bit hope in your relationship. It will create some magic in your relationship, because aspecting is on your 7th house. But Saturn is combust. It will create a lot of confusion, tension, a lot of problem in your personal life. Don't think about divorce. Try to be a strong bond with your spouse. Divorce is a part of the losers. Don't be a loser. If you want to be a winner, then face this struggling situation. Face this all challenges, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down. You are not happy from your spouse performance. Sometimes you feel to apply divorce or try to stay away from your spouse. But don't do this. A relationship is very precious. Saturn transit in your 1st house till April 2022. You will face a lot of up and down. But after April 2022, this relationship will work for you. Just perform to do your best in relationship. Professionally, you will be sky high. There is no doubt. You will earn very good recognition, name, fame. You will earn good money from your professional life, but you need to focus on your personal life. Monday and Tuesday, you will be a part of any problem related to your spouse. You're not feeling comfortable. You're not really feeling happy. You're feeling anxiety. You're feeling aggression. Must start meditation every day morning. Try to be in this relationship. Give some respect. Always show smiling face in front of your spouse. Don't use any wrong words. Try to give respect. Do you know one of the biggest rule on this earth? What goes around come around. If you try to perform your best, your spouse will definitely understand you. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation. Monday and Tuesday will be struggling days related to your personal life. But professionally, you will be sky high. Those people who are a businessman, they will get some big order from overseas. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be sky high and top. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and better in the terms of professional life. If you are unemployed and you are finding a job, this is not a right time. But you try to find a job because hard work play a big role on this earth. Hard work is the biggest remedy for every ascendance. Try to perform your best to finding a job. Because when Jupiter Saturn rise mid of the Feb, you will definitely top. But this whole week brings a lot of up and down, confusion, stress, mental harassment. You're not feeling comfortable, you're not feeling happy in the terms of your personal relationship. You try to perform your best. Give your 100, 200, 500% best with your loved one, with your husband, with your wife. Don't be a loser. Must face this challenging situation. You will become a diamond. Wednesday and Thursday, unexpected money will make you happy. Your source of earning will develop. You may start something new. Friday and Saturday, you will spend very good time with your friends. But your love life, your marriage life will be a matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling happy. Try to perform your best in your marriage life. And keep faith on yourself. Otherwise, you will be a part of a lot of problem. Mentally, you are not feeling comfortable or happy. Cancer. Remember one thing. Sun always rise after deep darkness. So this is a period when Capricorn ascendance in a deep darkness. But believe me, you will be entering your golden period very soon. Just be patient, relax, and try to be in a good relationship with your husband or wife. Monetary terms will be excellent. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants from 25th of Jan to 31st of January 2021. You need to be careful while spending your money. Don't invest your money anywhere. Jupiter Saturn is combust. You will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Your health will be a matter of concern. Stomach related trouble, digesting system related trouble will irritate you. Try to avoid oily food, junk food, market food. Just eat some boiled food. It will be helpful a lot. Otherwise, stomach related trouble will irritate you. Aquarius, this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some long distance unsuccessful journey will create a lot of confusion in your mind. Don't try to go any journey. Avoid any journey. Avoid any type of investment. This is not very fruitful time for you. Because your ascendant lord and your 11th lord is compassed. You will be a part of any problem. You may lose your job, or there is some problem related to your job in this week. Relationship with your loved one, your near or dear will be affected. Relationship with your spouse will be affected. 7th lord is in 12th house. 11th lord is in 12th house. 1st lord is in 12th house. 9th lord is in 12th house. All energies is in your 12th house. Use good words. Try to pay taxes on time. Don't show your ego attitude in front of anyone. Be humble, be polite. Try to show respect to your elders at home. Give respect to your spouse. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep. 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. More you read Goddess Kali Chalisa, more you feel magic in your life. But this is a struggling week for you. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't trust on strangers. Someone may cheat you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun transit in your 11th house. Venus enter in your 11th house from 28th of Jan. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will be a part of any big social circle. Your friends will support you. Your elder siblings will support you. If you wanna start something new, this is the right time. But try to avoid Jupiter Saturn combust position till mid of the Feb. Start anything new after mid of the Feb. That will be a more beneficial for you. Overall, Pisces, you will be top. You will be sky high. Unexpected money will knock you. Your dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you try to put your 100% effort to fulfill your dreams. This is the ultimate time. If you have a Jupiter Saturn Mahadasha, if you have a Mars Mahadasha, you will definitely sky high. This whole week brings lot of good opportunities for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family, your friends will support you. Your spouse will support you. If you are unmarried, you may meet someone. There is a chances you will be in a good relationship. There is strong chances you may enter in a good love relationship. This is the ultimate time for you, Pisces. You just need to perform your best. The more you put your effort at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.